Meet Whiskers, my cat's new obsession, joyriding my vacuum. I bought a robot vacuum. Now my cat rides it like a taxi? I thought I'd be the boss of the vacuum, until Whiskers discovered the on button. Whiskers loves it too much and decided to be a NASCAR driver. My plants are in danger. Whiskers turned my cleaning gadget into her personal race car, and I'm just the pit crew. Turns out, Whiskers just wanted a throne. Now we're both happy. Mostly. If your cat's a chaos gremlin too, drop a comment. Let's suffer together.